interrupt this program to bring to you live footage of an alien abduction. Yes, that is correct. This just in, Chef Anthony has been recently abducted by what appears to be called food aliens. Yes, apparently food aliens has been monitoring Anthony for quite some time, trying to get a hold of his secret recipes that he so adamantly refuses to share on his YouTube cooking channel. So right now we're going to switch it over to Benjamin Dover with the exclusive footage. Ben? Yes. Hi, as you can see, this is the area where apparently the food aliens, I've never heard of such a thing, have landed. Now, along here are some crumbs left by either the aliens or Chef Anthony. Now, unfortunately, the only footage we have is footage of the abduction. So please be advised that some of this footage could be disturbing to some viewers.
I better hurry up. Give me the recipes, chef.
And that is all we have at the moment. Please stay tuned for further details as we continue to cover this story as it develops. Back to you, Dick. We now return to our regularly scheduled program. That is it for now. Stay tuned for further details. I thought I told him to call me Richard. Where's management?